the city, another area code. Phone's ringing, but it feels like nobody's home. Check it. Arrive at 7 and the venue looks great, but my mind is drifting back to a different state. No time to call you, schedule's tight on the wrist. Got a million faces staring, but yours is the one missed. Encore's till 11 and it's takeout food. Sipping lukewarm coffee, trying to fix the mood. Back to the hotel, staring at the ceiling fan. Just a lonely traveler trapped inside a moving van. I'm always somewhere riding on the wind, counting down the days till I'm back with you again. Yeah, I'm always somewhere, miles on the dial, trying to bridge the distance just to see you smile. Yeah, I call your number, but the line ain't free. Just a busy signal staring back at me. I wanna tell you, pack a bag and come to me, but the road keeps spinning out of control, you see. A night without you is a vivid lost dream, like a broken picture or a silent scream. Love, I can't express the weight of how I feel when the lights fade out and the silence gets. We're always somewhere riding on the wind, counting down the days till I'm back with you again. Yeah, I'm always somewhere, miles on the dial, trying to bridge the distance just to see you smile. Another morning breaks, another time zone waits. I'm paying all the dues for the choices that I make. The only day off is a week or two away, but every single highway leads back to yesterday. But every city has seen me in the end. Every crowded street, every lonely band, and every stage I stand on, every song I pen, it only serves a purpose to bring me back to you again. Always somewhere